What are you afraid of, little vermlet? It doesn't hurt a bit to have... Wait for him! There you are!
Press the first step.
What's the second?
You! Say your...
Zero. Follow suit.
No, not the camping controller. Any controller for that. I see.
Look out!
Hurry!
Thanks for coming for me, Uncle RJ.
Please, it was on the way.
Whoa! This isn't over yet! I've had my cheeks singed by bigger animals than you'll ever be! Come on, we have to get after them. Call in the SWAT team.
Naturally, Vern was against the whole idea.
As usual, RJ's plan consisted of, let's just go wherever the danger is and hope for the best.
Plus, I ate some cheese fries this one time.
Enough sitting around. Who wants to dance with a skunk?
Ah, my little striped passion flower. I believe this next dance is mine.
See? Told you there. All she needed was a good fella.
Close enough, eh?
I can't thank you enough for saving her. You are my heroes.
You would have done it for us.
No, but I would now.
Well, it's getting to be about that time. Ugh.
Yep,
First day of winter tomorrow.
yep.
Hey, you know, we only have 38 bags of nachos.
Yep.
Gonna be a long winter, leap year and all.
What are you trying to say?
I'll get the wagon.
Way ahead of you.